So I let Claude AI run my entire life for 30 days, and what happened blew my mind. I know a lot of people have been talking about how Claude or how AI is going to take over our jobs, take over our lives and all of that. But I want you to pause for a minute, because AI is not here to take our jobs. AI is here to supercharge us, kind of make us like superhuman. You know, everything you couldn't afford to do before AI came in, now you can afford to do it. You can afford to have a business coach. You can afford to have a content creator, a script writer. You can afford to have an editor, all because of AI. Before AI started to become really, really strong, as a solo content creator, I would do my script, my content farming, my everything myself, and at the end of the day I would become super burnt out, only to get a few thousands or a few hundreds of views, right? As a mom as well, a lot of things that I couldn't do just because it's a lot on one person, you know. And so one thing I'm going to encourage you to do is to key into AI and actually learn it. So today I'm going to show you what AI had done for me in this past 30 days and how it has supercharged me, kind of like made me superhuman. And I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. So I'm going to be taking you guys to my computer, and I want you to stick with me to the end, because this video you're about to watch is going to be like a super interesting one, and you're going to learn a lot from it, just like you learned a lot from my previous video. All right, so I'm going to click and go into what's it called? I'm going to go into my browser now so that I can show you the first thing that Claude AI can do for you. Now, a lot of people don't know that Claude has an extension. This extension over here, a lot of people don't know that Claude has an extension. Now, if you go into Google Chrome and download the Claude extension, you'll be able to download it onto your computer. Now, here you can see my studio, my YouTube studio, and I'm sure you'll be wondering, what do we need your YouTube studio for? But I'm going to show you exactly what Claude did for me. Now, if you click on the Claude extension after you have opened to your YouTube studio, you can tell Claude to analyze my channel. And actually, let's not say analyze, let's say audit my channel. Okay? And tell me how to grow it. Now, Claude's extension will take over your computer. You can see that little orange mouse here. That is Claude. Claude will start to click into everything. Now, you know I'm not going to show you my entire screen because I don't want to show you my analytics. But Claude will go. So Claude has asked me now, this is the plan that Claude wants. He says, review your channel dashboard for overview, stats, subscribers, check channel content, videos, and all of that. Analyze the channel analytics, review recent videos, performance, synthesize findings into a channel audit with actionable growth recommendations. Then you approve the plan. Okay, so Claude immediately goes to work, and you would see how it will start to click within my YouTube studio, right? To, you know, show, this is my analytics. Now, I'm not going to show you all my analytics, but Claude is going to come up with an amazing plan and next steps for you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and stop Claude right here, because I don't want it to continue and I don't want us to wait, but it's going to give you a plan. Now, Claude gave me a plan, and let me prove to you that it works. Prior to when Claude gave me a plan, right, these are, let me close now these are the videos I had made prior to when I made Claude the plan. Before I made the plan, you can see 134 views, 126 views, 47, 30. That was super frustrating. Now, the very first video I created after, you can see 11,200 views. So it works. Now, what Claude does, it because Claude knows me, it took everything that I know, because I'm I'm amazing. I'm expert with AI. So Claude knows that I'm good with AI, and he just took everything and told me, this is what is working now, go for it. All right. And that is what Claude did for me. So this is an amazing thing. Another thing, you can tell the Claude extension to do absolutely anything for you. You can tell it to go into the internet and help you book a flight, or help you search hotels that are within this range, within this time, and Claude is going to come back with the answer for you. So it's kind of like a set it and forget it thing. You tell Claude to do something and immediately it goes to work, right, while you go do other things. So it's your assistant, right? That's super amazing. Now, one thing you have to know is that you have to, for you to be able to use all these amazing features of Claude, you have to sign up for the pro version, and it's just $20 a month for everything that Claude will do for you. All right, so now let's go into my computer again and let me show you another amazing thing that Claude has done. All right, so all right, so now here's my Claude dashboard, right? And over here, you would see that we have the chat, we have the co-work, and we have the code. Now, if you're not signed up for Pro, you will not have all these features. Also, you have to download the desktop app, either for your Windows or for Mac, right? So when you download the desktop app, you can see that Claude has chat, which is the regular one that you use, and then co-work, which I'm going to show you, and of course code. Now, I'm not going to show you how to use Claude Code today because it's a totally different thing and it takes a full entire course, but let me show you. All right, so now what I've done with co-work is this. There are lots of things that you can do with co-work. You can do projects, artifacts, and if you customize, you can see skills and connectors. And I'm going to tell you what all of them does, right? Now, if you go into the skills, I'm going to open my skills for you. I'm going to show you all the skills I have. I have the YouTube channel coach, which coaches me about my YouTube channel. And every week it comes back with actionable steps on what to do with my channel. Weekly family activities. I told you before that I'm a mom and I always like to, make activities for my kids. So we're going to go ahead and open one of the skills now, and I'm going to show you how a skill works. So this is my newsletter skill, and what this skill does is it writes newsletters in my tone, in my brand language, the way I like to speak and what my brand is about. It writes weekly newsletters for me. So you can see the description of the skill here. It says write weekly Substack newsletters for She Builds Empires. Okay. So what the skill does is whenever you go into your chat and you say write a newsletter, this is what is guided. Okay, this is what is guiding the Claude on writing your newsletter. So Claude references the skill. Now it knows that this is what I want to talk about. This is what I like to talk about. This is what my business is about. This is, so you're not constantly reminding Claude that write this about that, tweak your language or whatnot. It already has the skill. All right, so that's what skills does. Now let's go back to the most amazing one of it. Okay, project, which is projects. Okay, now if you go and look into my projects, you see I have, okay, let's go back to co-work and then the projects in my co-work. All right, you'll see I have the family activity planner. Remember that I have a family activity planner in my skills. All right, so for example, in the skills of the family activities, I had told Claude to schedule family, to help me find family activities around where I live for kids, and I've given it a price schedule, like a budget. Okay, now the newsletter as well. Now, so if you open the project, what the project is, it compiled all the chats for the project. Now this is June planning. So if I go in here now and I type July planning, what it will do is it will create a series of newsletters for July. Now the amazing thing is I've connected Claude to Substack. So Claude, after it has generated my newsletter for July and it has sent it to me to review, it immediately sends it to Substack and schedules it for post, so I don't have to do it myself. So Claude generates it by itself and it does that. Now Claude has done that for every aspect of my life, for my family planning, for my everything, like you can see in the project, okay, for my newsletter, my video ideas to Notion. So what this video ideas does is it goes online every week. It scans through trending topics and all of that, and then it sends it to Notion for me, right? It updates it into my Notion dashboard, the school course planner, the coaching as well, everything. Now I'm going to show you one of the things it done. For example, now let's go to scheduled. Now if you look at the scheduled here, you see that I have weekly content where it has to go online every week to find me content for my videos. Now take note, not every video Claude gives to me I would film, okay? I have to check it myself as well, right? So for example, look, it ran at May 27th. It's run today automatically, right? It's scheduled to run every Sunday. Now your computer has to be on, but it goes and does the research for you and sends it to Notion. Now if I open my Notion and I show it to you, I'm sure all the videos it has created for today will be there, and also the weekly activity. So Claude does all of those planning for me, and I just come back, I come to my computer, I just check what am I supposed to be doing, what my scripts. I have a script skill as well, so Claude knows how I like to write my skills and how I like to write my script and how I like to speak. Do you understand? So it writes my script, updates it, uploads it into Notion and all of that, and all I do is come on Sunday, check everything out, check to be sure that I like what Claude has given to me, and go ahead and just film, upload, post it. All right, so those are the amazing things. Now there's so many other features in Claude that I'll be showing you as the weeks go by, but this is one of the ways that Claude has helped me make life easier for me. All right, now if you're saying you want to go deep dive into Claude, you want to learn how to work with Claude, how to make AI simplify your life, you can go into the description box and sign up for my Claude Basics Masterclass. I'm having that class sometime June the 20th. It's just a one-day class. It's going to run for 2 or 3 hours, and we're going to go deep into what Claude can do. We're going to go deep into how to create the skills, how to automate everything, and how Claude can help you save tons and tons of money, how Claude can coach you, how Claude can do all of these things for you, and you're going to be amazed at what you're going to get. So go into the description box. I'm going to be linking the master class link in there, so definitely you should join us. Anyway, I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, have an amazing day. My name is Still Ciao, ciao.